Hi, this is your guy Julius Washington with United Real Estate. We are in the community of Leatherstone here today, and we will be touring a property that's called the Cali model. This home is built by DR Horton. If you paid attention to a previous video that I've done in this community is still in the infancy stages. So you're at the beginning of goodness when it comes to equity, things of that nature. So we'll take a look at that because it's always a good thing to be at the front end of a purchasing a home in a new construction community, especially if you're at the beginning, because there's positive momentum when it comes to that as far as down the road. But we're inside the house. This plan is called the Cali plan, and the Cali is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. Essentially what you have is everything is on the first level. So if that's something that you're looking for, particularly in Blythewood, which is a highly desired area within the Metro Columbia area, then this could be the home for you. We'll start off here. We're in the foyer area now, in the hallway, and we'll start from the front of the house and work our way all the way to the back. And as you can see, this is bedroom number 1. I'll let you take a look at it. It's got carpeting throughout here in this room. All right, and you've got a closet. Let you take a look at that. There you go. All right, nice high ceilings. That's one of the things, and I'll pan around so you can see that. These ceilings are nice. They got them nice and high. Okay, so we'll take a look at that. And here's your first bathroom. That's a shared bathroom and whatnot. So you got the one pedestal right here. Here you can see it looks like quartz. Okay, and then you've got vinyl right here on your flooring. Shared bathtub, shower, all right, and with the toilet. So that's what you have here. Here on the flooring in here, you have luxury vinyl plank. All right, so that's what you'll see. Again, high ceilings throughout the house, which is, a nice little feature and touch that some people like. Some people don't like the lower hanging ceilings, but these ones are built with high ceilings, okay? Second bedroom, and this one here is carpeted as well, similar to the other bedroom that we looked at in bedroom number 1, where you have the one closet, okay? We'll transition out of here and head to the rest of the house. And as we continue to move forward, here is your linen closet for those rooms back there. All right. This looks like the closet or door to the garage. It's a 2-car garage. Okay. Looks like ample space for you to get 2 vehicles in there. And here's your laundry room. All right. You've got a washer and dryer already in here. And then you have a little shelving up top for you to put some of your nice, detergents and whatever else you want to put, cleaning items. Here's your actual coat closet for your guests when they come in. And this is bedroom number 3. Again, high ceilings, right? And carpeted on the floor. And then you have the closet. We'll transition out of here. Now we will transition into the open living space area. Here's your kitchen. You're seeing more of the actual quartz. You got the backsplash, glass backsplash here, tiled backsplash. And this looks like a gas community. So what you'll have is you got the gas stove. Some of you chefs out there, how some love gas. They say gas just does something different to your food, okay? Makes it pop. Nice, large island, all right? Love this island. Love the white features of the kitchen itself, okay? And here's your pantry, a little walk-in pantry where you store your pantry items. All right. Stainless steel appliances throughout. which is you got your fridge and you've got your dishwasher along with your stove and your microwave above the stove, okay? And as you pan out, you take a look, a lot of storage, a lot of cabinet spacing in here, right? And then we go over here, we transition to the eating area. This is the area that you establish for your eat. Put your kitchen table here for the family to do their dining, but there's also the ability to put some stools here so that you can actually dine right there on the island. Over here, we'll transition. And this is a nice size living space here for you to put, you can mount a TV on the wall, on this wall right here, but then you can put a sectional in this space right here, and it's large enough to handle that, okay? So we'll transition from here to the master suite. This is your oasis away from everything else. Now, as you can see, again, carpet in the living space area, high ceilings, all right, nice and spacious, large enough for you to put a king-size bedroom in here, a bed along with its supporting chest of drawers, dressers, all those kind of things. All right, I'll pan around for a little bit. Okay, we'll do that, and then we'll transition toward the master bath. So now let's take a look at the master bath. Okay, dual vanity. All right, so quartz countertops, nice large mirror. You got a separate garden tub for your nice little days when you want a Calgon to take you away. And then you have a stand-up shower. All right. We'll take a look at here. You got a water closet over here. Turn the lights on for you so you can see it in all of its glory. All right, with some ventilation. And you can close the door if you want, or keep it open if you want. That choice is up to you. And so now we'll take a look at the walk-in closet. Nice lot of closet space in here. Wraps around. Okay. Just to give you a perspective, with some shelving and racks in here as well. We'll transition out of here. A great home. For those who are looking for a single story concept, I love this model of the options that are available with this builder. You get 4 bedrooms, you got a spacious living area, open concept for those who love that open flow. And then, you're here at the beginning stages of the build out in this community. They're going to build about approximately 300 plus homes, and they've only got about 6 or 7 built, standing up right now. So this is a great opportunity for those who are looking to move to the Blythewood area. So if I can help you in any way, feel free to reach out to us. Hi, thank you so much for listening in on and checking out our content. We really appreciate that from the bottom of our heart. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we would love to have a frank and earnest conversation with you about the goodness of working with Julius Washington and the Washington Group. Until the next time, salute.